Hello everyone, myself Anil Kumar from CMH Group of Institution, and today I am here to discuss on the topic world-class manufacturing. This topic is going to be covered under the headings of origin, the meaning, the objectives, the concept involved in the world-class manufacturing, and then the importance of the world-class manufacturing. Let me start with the world-class manufacturing, that what all it's about. It is all about the quality improvement. It is all about the improvement of the performances. It is all about to improve the whole kind of the productivity. And how it helps to improve the quality, how it helps to increase the productivity, that we are going to discuss under the world-class manufacturing. Basically, the world-class manufacturing, this concept that evolved in the late 20th century and largely inspired by the manufacturing practices of the Japanese company, that is the Toyota. Toyota, as we all know, they are renowned under the production system. Toyota and their adoption of the lean manufacturing and total quality management, and this inspired to give the concept of the world-class manufacturing. The term was popularized by Richard J. Snowberger he had written one book in 1986, The World-Class Manufacturing, The Lesson of Simplicity Applied. And through his book, he had given the concept of the world-class manufacturing. Now, what all is the meaning of world-class manufacturing? The world-class manufacturing refers to the application of the best practices and processes to achieve the highest level of the performance in manufacturing. Mean to say that if any production house or any kind of the organization who could be under the production system, they could also achieve the greater performance, could also achieve their better quality with the help of the world-class manufacturing. Now, it aims to produce high quality products, minimizes waste, reduce cost and improve productivity to compete effectively on a global scale. Now, if some domestic companies are there, if some domestic producers are there, and they wanted to be made their performance at the highest level, they have to go through the world-class manufacturing. Once they adopted the world-class manufacturing, means their productivity, their performances, their quality, their material, every kind of the aspects, every kind of the elements of the production system could be increased with the help of the world-class manufacturing. Now, this concept had been developed on the basis of this kind of the concept. The world-class manufacturing, this process involved the concepts of the lean manufacturing, the concept of the total quality management, the concept of the just-in-time, the concept of the Six Sigma, the concept of the flexibility and agility, and the concept of the employee involvement. And these are the concepts which involved under the concept of the world-class manufacturing. Mean to say that if any production house, if any producer want to increase the performance, the productivity, the quality management or the material management, these kind of the concept could be involved under the process. And this lean manufacturing, total quality management, just in time, Six Sigma, flexibility and agility, employee involvement, these are the concepts that involved under the world-class manufacturing. Now, the types of world-class manufacturing, the various types of the world-class manufacturing had been under this heading. The first, that is the lean manufacturing. Under this manufacturing, under this type of the manufacturing, it focuses on reducing the waste. मीन टू से दैट कि हम इस तरह की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लाते हैं जहां पे हमारी वेस्ट रिडक्शंस इफेक्टिव और द बेस्ट वन हो सके, दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. Another one is agile manufacturing. It emphasizes flexibility and quick responses to meet the changes. It means to say that this kind of the manufacturing system that gives the flexibility under the production system, under the manufacturing system, which means to say that if the change is required, immediately that could be changed out. Sustainable manufacturing. The manufacturing must be on the basis of the sustainability. It is not for a short period of the time, rather than it could be for the future or for the long period of the time. Incorporates environmental and social consideration into manufacturing process. And this sustainable manufacturing, it holds the parameters of the environmental and social consideration into manufacturing process. Under this manufacturing system, these kind of the things, the social parameters and the environmental parameters also taken into consideration, and this is the sustainable manufacturing. Smart manufacturing uses advanced technology for data driven decisions making and process optimization. And these are the types of the manufacturing which reveals for the world class manufacturing. Now the process, it includes the steps. The first one, assessment of what, evaluate the current processes and identify areas for the improvement. Where the improvement is required, the improvement requires in which, either in the input, process, output, whether to go for the material, machine, or any kind of the other improvements are required, that must be assessed. This is the assessment is the first step. The second step, that is the planning. Develop a strategy for implementing WCM or the world class manufacturing practices, including setting objectives and timeliness. The another step that is under the process of world class manufacturing, that is the implementation. Apply world class manufacturing techniques such as Lean, Six Sigma, the TQM, and the improvement of the process, continuous improvement. These all kind of the things must be applied under the implementation. Monitoring, continuous track performances, metrics to ensure goals and being met. The last one, that is the continuous improvement. Regularly review and refine process to achieve incremental improvements. And these are the process that involves under the world class manufacturing. Now, these are the importance of the world class manufacturing. The first one, that is the competitiveness, quality improvement, cost reduction, employee engagement, innovation, sustainability, customer focus. And these are the various importance that one could have after applying the world class manufacturing system. Well, I am going to conclude with these lines. World class manufacturing integrates a set of best practices from various manufacturing philosophies to create a holistic approach to achieving excellence in production and operation. It focuses on continuous improvement, quality, efficiency, and technology integration is essential for the modern manufacturing, aiming for global competitiveness. And with the help of the world class manufacturing, by adopting this kind of the concept, one could be easily have a presence under the global manufacturing system, or the global competition could be taken into consideration with the help of the world class manufacturing. थैंक यू सो मच. होप आपको ये वीडियो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने में मदद करेगा. आप इसको शेयर करें, लाइक करें. थैंक यू.